good evening all of you. Welcome to UnifyStudy. How are you all? Good evening. Divya, Deepa, Suravi, good evening. All of you are fine, I hope so. I hope so, all of you are fine. So today it is the day 4. So already we discussed so many concepts of the research aptitude with previous year's question, different types of research questions, and after that hypothesis, and then the sampling. These all the questions, these all the topics are already done. If you are new here, then definitely subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification, and must watch the previous classes. This is I have created the playlist for the research aptitude live class of 2022. You can check our playlist and definitely complete the playlist, so that ultimately your total syllabus of research aptitude will be done. This sampling question we did yesterday, and today we are going to do the reliability, validity, and after that different types of validity, different types of measurement. These are the topics we are going to do here, and after that we will do some question. That is the part. And tomorrow is our planning to, tomorrow not means Monday. Monday I will take the live mock test through 2021 previous year's question. Be ready for the live mock test. Here only in this channel only I will take the live mock test. And another good news for all of you, I am going to share with you this good news, that is the All India mock test is going to start. That is free of cost. All India mock test you can see free of cost on Unacademy platform. That is June 5th, 12th and 19th 11 am. If you attempt the mock test, then 1 to 2 rank will get 10,000 amount. You no need to have to pay. Better than that, you will get the prize, that is for gift voucher of 10,000 amount. 3 to 5 will get the gift voucher of 5,000 amount, and 6 to 10 will get the gift voucher of 2,500 amount. So using my referral code Priyanka C Live, you can attempt the mock test and you can get the chance to get the prize. And this mock test will be helpful for your preparation definitely. I am sending the link of the mock test also. You can unlock your free plan using my referral code Priyanka C Live, and then you can enroll it. I am sending the link, just wait 1 minute. Yes, here this is the link. Here this is the link for the scholarship and mock test. Okay. No, paper 1 timing, paper 1 actually for that course, paper 1 I am not taking. Paper 1 will be taken by the Vaishini Kumar sir. So paper 1 I will not take, that's why I cannot change the time. Okay, that is for the another sir. Okay. So you can watch the recording, no problem will be here, no problem, it will, you can change, watch the recording. Okay. Okay. So now let's start the topic. Let's start, go to the concept and go to the question. So first of all, what is reliability and validity? Reliability means something is reliable when we can say reliable and when we can say valid. So reliability means to the extent to which the result cannot be reproduced. I think in the first day also we discussed about reliability and validity, but just I am repeating one thing. The main concept of reliability and validity is that reproduce means again and again you are getting same result. you are doing a mathematics, you are doing a research, you are doing a testing, a experiment, and again 10 times you are getting same result, means you are thinking that it is reliable. And here the extent which the result really measures and get the exact result. Here I am taking an example 2 plus 3, and here also you are doing 2 plus 3, you are getting here 5, but 2 plus 3 here you are getting 1. Again and again you are doing, you are getting 1, because ultimately you are doing a mistake, because your concept is wrong. You are doing, rather than plus you are doing minus, and again you are getting same answer. That's why maybe you are thinking it is reliable, but actually it is not valid. That's why a reliable measurement is not always valid. If you are doing mistake, if your process is wrong, you will get the same result again and again, but actually it is not valid. That problem is going on for all the students. Those students are missing their what they want to crack, but every time they are missing their NET and JRF for 2 to 4 marks or few marks. Within 10 marks they are missing it, or some of the question always they are doing wrong, because their concept is not clear. They are thinking that I am doing correct way, whatever way I am following, whatever preparation strategy I am following, that is correct only. Same strategy they are following, and ultimately they are not able to crack. That's why sometimes it is required repetitively. When you are getting same result, you have to ask yourself, is it valid? Whatever process I am following, whatever work I am doing, is it actually valid? So if I am doing a valid work, then I will get a correct result. Otherwise, if I am doing a same way, then I will not get the valid result. So that is the difference between reliability and validity. I hope it is clear, right? I hope reliability and validity is clear to everyone. Now here is the different types of validity. From here questions are coming. What are the different types of validity? Phase validity, content validity, construct validity, internal validity, external validity, statistical conclusion validity, and criterion related validity. These are the different types of validity. What is internal validity? Internal validity refers where the effect observed in a study plan due to the manipulation, because in some of the research we are doing the manipulation of independent variable. Like where we are manipulating independent variable, in which research we are doing manipulation of independent variable? You know that we discuss also, and in other words I need answer in the chat box, where we are manipulating the independent variable and not some other factor. In other words, the causal relationship between the independent and the dependent variable. What is the relationship between the independent and dependent variable? That internal validity can improve by controlling the extraneous variable, because when you are boiling the water in 100 degrees centigrade, then only it will be water vapor. If you are not getting the proper temperature, if it is 90 degrees centigrade also, then you will also not get vapor, because you have to reach to the external variable. Here external variable is a big factor. So that's why you have to control the external variable, that is extraneous variable also, for the standardized instruction, counterbalancing and eliminating the demand. That is called the internal validity. External validity is what? External validity refers to the extent which result to study can be generalized to other setting. How? Ecological validity, other population over the time, or the historical validity. These are the external validity. Means externally you are going for ecological system, you are going for the other population. These are the external part. Maybe that external one is affecting your research, that's why these are called the external validity. Next one is the content validity. What is content validity? If all aspects of the construct in research are measured accurately and not just a part, it then called the content validity. All the content you measure perfectly, then we are telling it is content validity. Criterion validity, if indicator corresponds with the predictive measurement using related indicators, the validity is called the criterion validity. There will be a indicator ki if you are reaching to this, then indicator will show you this is correct. Means there is a specific criteria. Cut-off marks. If you are getting the cut-off, then you will pass the exam. If you are not able to reach to the cut-off, then you will fail. That is a criterion validity. Construct validity. What is construct validity? The measurement of construct is converged with other measures like the level of the education and the income level. So, if your education level is more, your income level will be also more. That is converged, and is also determine the opposite also. If your education is not that much, then maybe you will not get that much income. So, that is a construct validity. What is phase validity? Phase validity, it means that survey system and questionnaires, whatever, if you are going for survey, you are going to a location, you are doing the survey for the research, then you are getting accurately measured, and suppose the measure according to the requirement of the problem. You are asking the question and accurately measured what we are supposed to measure. Means we will measure that only, means whatever my purpose. I am not going to measure everything. I will measure that part only what is my requirement. That is called the phase validity. Means my target is to see that what is the educational rate in the population, how many female are educated, how many males are educated, how many childs are going to the school. That is only my target. I am not going to check other property of the society, that what is the society, what are the culture, what are the food habit, that I am not going to measure. Whatever my criteria, I will measure that only accurately. That is called the phase validity. All the validity is clear. Sometimes questions are coming from validity. All the validity is clear, and these are the all important validity. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear or not? Tell me. Yes. Sravanti, hi, how are you? Sravanti Bose, how are you? Okay. Now see that these are the different types of variable: categorical variable and qualitative variable, quantitative variable. Categorical means nominal, ordinal. These are the distinct categories are here. Like the nominal categories means you are giving a label. There should be labelized with the name. Male, female, this is a category. Ordinal means there is ordering, like the ranking system or the gradation system. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or grade A, B, C, D. According to order you are going to measure the variable, that is called the ordinal. Interval means meaningful distance. There is, this is here, after 10 kilometer another pole is there, after 10 kilometer another pole is there, exactly after 10 kilometer another pole is there. or if you are going to clock, in a clock the difference is always 5 minutes between every one, the difference is always 5 minutes. So same meaningful distance is there, the interval between the two measurement, meaningful distance is there, that is called the interval. And ratio is just when you are representing A by B with the respect of another one you are going to measure. And here this is the absolute zero concept is coming, and multiplication and division is working in the ratio, plus and minus is working in interval, less than or greater than it is working on the ordinal, equals to or not equals to, that is working on nominal. Okay. So here it is an example of nominal. What are the different types of gender, male or female, what is the hair color, where do you live, these are the nominal example. Ordinal means how you are feeling happy today, you are giving with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means you are giving the rating 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star. How satisfied you are with the service, unsatisfied, natural, this is also coming under number, that is called the ordinal. Interval, here same interval, exactly 10-degree interval are there, that is interval. And ratio scale provide the wealth possible when comes to the statistical analysis, that is called the ratio. Okay. So here this is a question, do it, do the question. As I promised that I will complete the research aptitude, all the important topic with the concept, that is why today I am going to end that my promise. Whatever important topic we have covered here, from where mostly question are asking, those who did it with this 4 days class, ultimately definitely it is confirmed that you will get the marks. And Monday we will go for the 2021 question practice. So many questions we are going to practice on 2021 on Monday. That will be only the practice session, your live mock test. Do it, those who are live here, do it and give me the answer. Okay, answers are coming. Okay, yes, answer is 3 only, you are correct, all of you are correct, answer is 3, correct. Next one, in which scale measure classification, order, quality and unit ensure? What will be the answer? Yes, here answer is interval, because here your scale measurement, classification, order of the quality, unit are ensured, that is a interval scale only. Now it is coming to the thesis and the article writing. We will practice more question next day, that I already told. Under thesis of writing, how to write the thesis. Under thesis of writing, you have to maintain some title, pages, and how to write the title, what should be there, that is table of content, list of table, list of figure, acknowledgement and the introduction, theoretical framework and the review of literature have to be there, research design have to be there, then data analysis, interpretation, summary, conclusion and recommendation, and suggestion for the further research. From here questions are coming. Bibliography, list of reference or the bibliography, what is that? This is the list of reference contain the details only of those work cited the test. Why it is important? It is important because a bibliography includes the source from where you are collecting the information. When you have done your research, from where you get the help, you are giving the link, you are giving the reference of that, because it will be helpful for them, those who are going to do the next research. You did the research today, maybe 1 year, after 1 year another one will do the research on that area. From your bibliography they will get the help, okay, these are the area I can do I can refer for this section, so that it will be helpful for me. So small research project will need only one reference section, it include all the literature together. That is the importance of bibliography, and bibliography means the list of reference. Questions are coming from here, and the list of publications are also there. Here is some MLA style, APA style, that is not that much important, but question is here. Do this one. Here it is a question, do it. A research scholar, while submitting his or her thesis, did not acknowledge in the preference of help and support of the response of questionnaires used. This will be called as yes, this is unethical act, because from here where you are getting, you are not acknowledging. You are taking some question, you are getting the support, but you are not going to acknowledge. That are not technical, these are unethical, totally this is unethical. Whenever you are taking help from somewhere, you should acknowledge it. Yes, I took the help from here, I took the reference from here, I took this question from here. That you should acknowledge. If you are not acknowledging, that is totally unethical act. Here this is the question, when result obtained in a research study can be extended in a group of larger than the sample outside the constraints of the study, this is called what? We discuss the validity, different types of validity. What will be the answer? Is it internal validity, functional relationship, external validity, or hypothetical construct? Yes, answer is external validity, because ultimately outside context of the study, that is definitely external. The style of writing thesis of the researcher article has to be, the style of writing a thesis and the research article has to be. It should be scientific in respect to the language used. Always, research is always scientific, remember that. If it is historical research also, if it is sociological research also, whatever you are doing, if it is linguistic also, then also it is scientific. The process of the research is have to be always scientific. Next one, in which of the following format research abstract is masked? Research article, seminar paper, thesis, research synopsis. Where research abstract is masked? Yes, so answer will be 3 only. Here also again answer is 3, that is research article and seminar paper and presented and the research synopsis, not sorry, that is the thesis. For the research synopsis it is not required, because research synopsis means that is after the research you are coming to the conclusion, you are giving the total conclusion you are writing, that is the research synopsis. So here the research abstract you are going to do before the research, before writing the complete research, whatever we are writing, that is the abstract. But synopsis is after the research, after giving the detailed description and after providing the total details. So D will be eliminated, and after eliminating D you will get the answer A, B and C only. Here in the thesis, format and styling referencing have been inappropriately followed. This is an example of what? Format and styling and referencing inappropriately followed. That is what types of problem? Is it technical escape? Is it unethical practice? Is it inability of the researcher to write the thesis, or is it lack of commitment on the part of researcher? What it will be? Yes, this is the technical problem, because ultimately researcher is following it. He is mentioning it, he or she is mentioning it, but how the style it was, that style not followed. So it is not at all unethical, it is not a inability also, it is not a lack of commitment also. Whatever you told that you have to do the bullet point, you have to write in the numbering, you have to follow this pattern, your structure will be that did not follow, that is a technical problem, or not other than that. Next question, bibliography given in the research report. Why? What is the importance of bibliography? Helps those interested in the further research, shows the vast knowledge on the researcher, makes the report authentic, and it is an optional part of the report. Which one is correct? Yes, this is helping those are interested for the further research. Just now we discussed bibliography helping that what are interested for the research. When reviewer reviews the research article without knowing the author name, it is referred to as what? Reviewer reviewing the research article without knowing the author name. This is actually blind review. Without knowing the author name, that is actually blind review. Most of the students are doing mistake here. Must remember, this is called the blind review, and whenever you are getting confused in some terminology, some question, the best way is that write down that in your quick revision notebook. Write down the statement. When reviewer review the research article without knowing the author name, that is called the blind review. I was preparing in that way. What question I was doing mistake? I was writing it in my notebook. That exact question with the answer. I am not writing the total question, exactly the question with the answer, so that we can remember it wherever we are doing problem. Poster session of the research conference provides better opportunities for what? Poster session in research conference. Yes, that is the interpersonal interaction, because one person is doing something, they are drawing something in the poster, they are trying to represent their thoughts. Another person is drawing something, they are trying to represent their thoughts in another way. So, interpersonal, I am trying to understand your thought, you are trying to understand my thought. That is a interpersonal interaction through the poster session. Do this one. In which of the following formats chapter scheme of the document formally approved in the research degree of commitment in the university? Chapter scheme, where this is followed in the university. Yes, that is thesis or dissertation. In thesis or dissertation, you have to follow the chapter scheme and formally in the university. Here it is a question of research ethics, assertion and reason. Research ethics is must in the order of length, credibility of the research finding, use the unethical situation, and this is application of ICT in research is the credibility of research result. Yes, here the answer will be, see that research ethics must order to the length, credibility of the research findings for the authentic situation, that is correct only. Application of ICT research, credibility of the research result, no, it is not like that. If you are using ICT, the ICT only get the credit. It is your credit, it is the credit of the sources who is helping you. That is not the credit of total ICT, that is not possible. So, that is why this one is false and this is true. Now, here a research intend to make the ICT in his or her research, what consideration should weigh most in such decision? Yes, here appropriate of the tools used, and then the cost involved for whatever you want to purchase it and all, and availability of the tools in the department by undertaken. These three have to be considered. Willingness to offer the help, this is not related to the ICT, that is depending on your guide, and the company from which ICT equipment should be that is also not the part of your target, because ultimately it is the decision of the university, it is not your problem. So, that is why option will be A, B and C only. Here do this one, assertion and reason. Research ethics mandate used to appropriate and authentic procedures to arrive at truth and advising the solution to problem. Reason is credibility of research is not only the prized goal, but prerequisite for the excellence in the human pursuit? Yes, the answer is 1 because both are correct and it is the correct explanation of assertion also. Answer is 1 only. Do this one and after that I will end the session. This is the last question for today. It's already 9 p.m. So do this one. Here assertion and reason. Data must be authentic before it can be of any value in historical research, yet proof and authenticity does not establish its values and follow the archetypes. Follow and must also be accurate. And next one is external criticism is therefore reference to the lower criticism of the data. Yes, here also assertion and reason both are correct and this is the correct explanation of assertion. You all are correct. So we will do the remaining question in the next class. I will take the mock test. There you can get more question, and with this class I am going to end the research aptitude concept. With the concept and question, this is ending. From Monday we are going to start the practice session of research aptitude. That is not only research aptitude. Monday will be your mock test, and after that we will start communication, ICT. Communication and ICT, that are the next target, and after that we will do other topic also one by one, and that will be on 2021 paper. That we will do for 2021 PYQs. Practice session will be there for communication, ICT, that are remaining part that we will do. Okay. So must prepare yourself for the mock test on Monday. I will take the mock test on Monday. Bye everyone. Bye. Good night.